iTTM isamile ekutheni kungenzi kahle kwayo kuGlad-Africa ngeke kusho lutho emidlalweni wendebe. Ukuvimba amaqembu amabili ePSL ukufinyelela kowandulela owamanqamu kwenele ukukhuphula umgqiqo wayo. Ikhiphe iGolden Arrows neSuperSport United FC kulomqhudelwane. iTTM manje izolwela indawo kowamanqamu nabavikela isicoco iqembu abadayisela kulona ubunikazi.
I'm not that concerned, as you know, most of the Marumo players, they are my former players. I know their strength and so forth, but I'm not going to undermine them, as I know they are playing good football.
Ibadawu badam ichakuma iteketiswa kanjalo ngabalandeli izothembela emaveni kakapteni wayo ukwendlulela kowamanqamu.
We are very confident because I think we've beaten Golden Arrows and SuperSport, so we chose the quality of our team, especially experience in the youngsters. So even this coming Friday, we are confident that we're going to do it.
uManzini unomlando omubi kuGallants FC kulandela ukunqanyula kwenkontileka yakhe nyakenye.
Those kind of things happen. It's water under the bridge. We've moved on. I'm here. I'm enjoying my football. So there's no bad blood between me and Gallants, just football business.
iTTM neGallants abazwani ngaphandle kwenkundla. Lokhu kuvela ekuphumeni kwezinsolo zokwehluleka ukufeza isivumelwano esenziwa ngesikhathi iTTM idayisela iGallants FC isimo sayo kuPSL nyakenye.